Welcome guys, I'm back to another video, crypto video. We've got another project just here. This one is ROI12.com. I'm going to make this one a bit short and powerful. I'm basically looking to get into this platform here, so I'm going to show a deposit of £100, 100 USD. I must say it is following the same sort of system as previous videos on my channel. Obviously this system is working well. So this one's ROI.com, capital 168. So the previous one, or a couple, we've seen 144, we've seen 150, and now we're seeing 168 in only 12 days. So pretty much in 8 days, 7 to 8 days, you'll have your capital back. So if you put £100, you should 100 US dollars or dollars, you should be getting 195. Yeah, pardon me for saying pounds. So there you are, crypto exchange. Just basically what they do, trying to big up their reliability. So if we use this to have a look and see what we would get back, so yeah, £14, 14 US dollars, $14 a day, 168 over the course of 12 days. So you're getting 14 a day, which is pretty good. You can deposit any sort of cryptocurrency you like. So you've got multiple options, guys. So that's good to see. High rate of profitability, instant transactions, 0 commissions for transactions, so you're not charged for any transactions that they do for you. So that's just about their security, their activity, obviously successful trading and exchange of cryptocurrency. Like I said before, all this mumbo jumbo, I wouldn't take it too seriously, because at the end of the day it's hard to tell what they are actually up to. I think the key here is to try and get into these platforms as early as possible and make an impact in your crypto wallet, because obviously 168% return in 12 days, which is basically is phenomenal. It's not what you normally see. But guys, this is high risk, so do your due diligence. I wouldn't say rush into or just, you could go in with the minimum. And that way, that could still be a risk to you. So obviously, just go in with whatever you're willing to lose, if at all, of course. So let's have a look here. This is the support center, FAQs. So a brief look at that. It's all the same, guys, from platform in, platform out. What is the ROI? It's mainly focused on crypto activity. Okay, activity is legal. Possesses all the necessary permits to carry out investments under the current UK legislation. We started our investment practice in 2018 and have shown a strong financial results in a short period of time. So that's fine. So what payment service does ROI12.com accept? Currently we work with the following payment services. So that's pretty much all your common ones: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, ERC20 and TRC20. So that's good. Are there risks to investing with this? High volatility makes cryptocurrency market a very unpredictable tool for an inexperienced user. Our team developed unique algorithms for trading and exchange cryptocurrency assets, optimizing and securing the profit-making process as much as possible. So again, they say they're into trading. They're making it clear there's volatility, ups and downs, and therefore they're basically saying they will disappear at some point. They cannot stay forever. Definitely not when they're offering these kind of returns. How can I be an investor in ROI12.com? Okay, you just have to sign up for a personal account. Once done your personal account, you get the opportunity to create your own deposits, which will start generating daily profit for you. What personal data is required for registration? Just name, email, pretty much, guys. Is it possible to register multiple accounts on the site? We limit to one account per device, and I think that's the rule of thumb. If you do otherwise, you risk loss of balances. Okay. What do we offer our investors? 14% for 12 days, right? So a minimum of 15 to 100,000. So you see, you can sort of go in at 15 to avoid risk. Is there a limit number of active deposits? No. Unlimited. You can keep going in, and keep having something cycling in as the 12 days expires. You can still cycle in with another deposit. How quick are the profits accrued? Every day. What can I do? With the profits I get? I'm sure you could either reinvest. What's the minimum amount accumulated? You can withdraw your funds. Yeah. How to withdraw funds from the account? Pretty simple. I'll do a video showing the withdrawal, but it's all the same. And then today I'll do a deposit, which we can go through together. So there's minimum limits for one-time withdrawals. So Bitcoin 10, Ethereum 15, Tether 5, and Tether ERC 2025. How quick will I get my funds into my wallet? No more than 2 hours, this says. Are there any extra money making opportunities in the company? And well, they talk about the referral program. So obviously invite your friends and family if you like, and if you're a sharer, you can share it on various platforms. What are the benefits of your referral? So it's 721, 7% for your directs, and so forth as it goes down. Yeah, like it says, you can share it with friends, family, relatives. So how do I attract partners to my own referral structure? Just you can do it as best you can, the best way you know how. In case I have any more questions, right, of course you can contact support, which is the email down there. They've got a Telegram group as well. You can sort of see what's going on and any updates. The Telegram account, their account actually went down a couple of days ago, and they came back up. So obviously they sorted that out quite quickly. Everyone was like, "Oh, where's the Telegram account gone?" But they got that sorted, so that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna log in very quickly. Okay, so I've already signed up, which was just going through the motions with the username, password, and now it's asking me for my authenticator, my 2FA, which I'll do now. So guys, I'm obviously trying to diversify. This formula is actually working. Can it last forever? It's obviously dependent on the developers and what they're looking to do and the mindset of the developers. That's a big thing. Some people are set out to reach a certain amount of money and pull the rug on these platforms, and some are willing to allow it to stand the test of time and not rug pull. So that's something that we've got to understand and do our due diligence when it comes to that. Guys, you are entitled to your own decision making. Don't be influenced by anyone to jump in to these platforms. But as far as I am concerned, this is a good one for me. So let's start with, I've already put, the first thing you should do when you do come in, guys, 2FA. So go to security. I did this on my phone initially, and set up your 2FA. So as you can see, mine is all set up and good to go. Right, let's make a deposit. Make a deposit. I've obviously got no deposits. Let's see. ERC20. Nope. That one's a bit more expensive. I'd rather go to ERC20. So let's have a look. What deposit am I gonna make? I should put 100. So I'll make a deposit of 100 USDT. So here is my. So I'll copy the wallet, this address. I'll take that to my wallet and I will deposit the 100 US dollars. Okay, guys. So if you could bear with me, I'll pop back once I have done that. Right, guys, I've gone away. I've deposited the 100 USD. I'll just refresh this and see if anything has happened just quickly. I doubt. Okay, fantastic. It's logged me out. Okay, that's right. Right, guys, I have made a deposit. It's not showing anything yet, so that's fine because I've just done it literally seconds ago. But essentially what should happen is it should populate sooner rather than later, and then automatically I will start, the clock will start and I'll start earning £14. My first withdrawal will be tomorrow. I'll definitely do a video tomorrow so we can go through my first withdrawal. Thanks a lot for spending your time with me, guys. Like I say, this is do your due diligence, and please try watch these videos through to the end because it affords you the opportunity to make a more informed decision when it comes to whether you're going to go in or not. Guys, stay safe, don't be scammed. As soon as you open your accounts, put 2FA on all of your accounts, and that's it for me.